The 2023-2024 Chevy Colorado features the 2.7-liter L2R turbocharged engine, known for its 310 horsepower and 391 pound-feet of torque, designed for efficiency and power in a mid-sized truck. However, it's been subject to recalls and reliability concerns. Common issues include fuel pump failures, turbocharger wear leading to boost leaks, transmission problems like shuddering, and occasional electrical sensor malfunctions. These issues can result in stalling, reduced power, and increased repair costs. GM has issued recalls and software updates to address these problems, but owner feedback remains mixed. Despite software fixes and recalls, reliability remains a key concern for the 2.7-liter L2R engine. While owner ratings have slightly improved due to over-the-air updates, some issues continue. Turbocharger issues and catalytic converter failures persist as common problems. Expert opinions criticize the turbo design for lacking redundancy, potentially increasing failure risks in demanding conditions. Statistics show a higher than average repair cost for this engine compared to the industry average. If you're considering a Colorado with this engine, be aware of these potential issues and factor in potential repair costs. Monitor for ongoing GM updates and recalls that may address these problems further.